Remember when you had the right saw for any situation? The WEN 3 3/8" Compact Circular Saw provides versatile and lightweight power all in the palm of your hand. Take on wood, tile, plastic, copper, aluminum, PVC, drywall, and so much more. For maximum accuracy, switch on the onboard laser to keep your cut right on target. If that's not enough, the included 5-inch rip fence helps you to make perfectly parallel cuts over even the longest of distances. The spring-loaded shoe combined with a lockable depth stop makes this the perfect saw for plunge cuts. Simply set your depth gauge to your preferred cutting depth for safe and easy interior cuts to your workpiece. Your WEN Compact Circular Saw also comes packed with accessories, including a blade for wood, a blade for metal and plastic, a blade for tile and ceramic, an 80-inch dust extraction tube to help collect sawdust during operation, and a convenient blow mold carrying case, complete with storage compartments for all your accessories. Remember when you had a saw that could take on anything?
Remember when.